Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you follow the Telegram channel also so you don't miss out on any updates. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be anticipating next on our GBPJPY. So we will fully understand what GBPJPY is about to do, and that will enable us to take a trade properly. Let's start from here for a quick analysis. Right, let's start with this. What is our trend on GBPJPY? So it is very clear that GBPJPY is an uptrend move. We are very much trending to the upside. We all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either GBPJPY is trending to the upside, or it is trending downward, or market is literally ranging. So we can clearly see that we are trending upward. So this is our high on GBPJPY. Here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up to give us an higher high. Here is the higher low on JPY. Market eventually pushed up to give an higher high. Here is the higher low, right? Market pushed up to form higher high. Here is the higher low. GBPJPY eventually pushed up to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market pushed up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again to form an higher high. So this is likely the higher low whereby market is now ranging within this level. So basically we are in an higher low level. So our next forecast, our next movement on JPY should be pushing up till it form a new higher high. So, but when you take a look at this current movement, what is market doing? Market is ranging within this level. So we consider we have our first rejection here. This is our second rejection, which is our support. Now we are currently at the third level, third touch, which should be giving us a third rejection. So one more push up is what we should be anticipating and expecting for on GBPJPY. So we should expect and anticipate for GBPJPY to push up again, to reject from this bottom and push up, thereby forming a probably a new higher high, or literally coming to tap this resistance level. So a bullish move next is what we should be anticipating for on GBPJPY. Now, if there's going to be any changes to this movement, as there could be a changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.